What's up? It's the Programming Hexagon, and I'm going to come up at you with a tutorial about if statements and case statements. Now, I used if statements in my last tutorial, but I didn't really go I didn't really go in depth with them a bit. And today I'm going to go a bit more in depth and also introduce you to a new feature called switch case. And if statements, well, in switch case are both very useful. So let's go ahead and create a new project. CLR console application. I'm just going to call it tutorial. But you guys call it whatever you want, alright? Save it wherever you want. I'm just going to save it there. Oh, my. Yeah, I had the same problem last tutorial. Alright. If state. Alright. If statements and switch case. Alright, if statements and switch case. That's what I'm going to name it. Let's wait for it to load. Alright, shouldn't take too long. But trust me guys, once you watch this tutorial, programming will be a lot easier for you. Alright, so what an if statement basically is you would use an if statement whenever you want your program to make a decision. So for example, in Minecraft, they use if statements all the time, like if you press the W key, you go forward. If you press right click, you place or use a block, alright? They use these things all the time, and it's very useful and one of the key aspects of programming along with variables. So let's go ahead and include some of our header files, that's what they're called. So I'm going to do string, this one's pretty important, pound include stream, pound include and also I'm going to do IOStream. Okay. And we're also going to do using namespace standard. Okay? That's what that stands for. That stands for standard, nothing else. Don't worry. Anyways. So let's say I have an integer call or an integer, so let's go ahead and create an integer, and I'm going to call it age. And that'll be the age of the person. All right? And I'm going to set it equal to 34, alright? By the way, that's how you quickly set the value of a variable. You type int, you create the variable, then you just type equal right after that, and there you go. You created a variable and set it equal to 34. Very simple. After that, what we could do is type hold on, I have a better idea. Don't set age to anything. Instead, let the user set age. Let's actually do a cout command and ask the user what their name is. Ask the user what their age is. So I'll say, how old are you? And then they will answer. Fine. Okay. And then they're going to answer, and then that's going to go into age. So, if you don't know what all this means, please watch my last tutorial. I explain what cout statements are and cin statements. Anyways, that's that. Now we have that. We're going to write an if statement. I told you a bit about these in the last tutorial. I apologize if I'm going a bit fast. You can pause the video if you need to catch up. I am going a bit fast. Also, if I'm going too fast, let me know in the comments below in my next tutorial. Or let me know in the comments below, and on my next tutorial I'll make sure to go a bit slower. But anyways, let's say if age if age is equal to 2, then do something, alright? We already learned how to do that in our last tutorial, but there's a bit more that we can do with this. We can also do if age is less than, if age is greater than, if it is less than or equal to, which is this, if it is greater than or equal to, or if it is not equal to. Don't ask me why they chose that. I really do not know why they chose exclamation mark and equal sign. That's just how it is. So this means if age is not equal to 2, then do this. If age is less than or equal to 2, then do it. Greater than or equal to, and then just less than, greater than, you get the gist. So let's say if age is greater than or equal to 16. 16. Oh, okay. We're gonna print out cout Oh yeah, and if you're just typing equals, you type 2 equal sign, or whoops, you type two equal signs. I explained why in my last tutorial. Anyways, we're gonna do C out, so we're gonna display, and then we're gonna type congrats on your driver's license, and then that's what it'll do. And oops, I'm gonna go ahead and put the console colon read line. Again, if you're using a Mac, just do the other way, which is you go ahead and create a variable and then make it store to the variable. Again, I explained that in my last tutorial. Console colon read line, and then after that, I could do if else. Oops. If else. Oopsies. If else, and if else is basically like a connection. Oh wait, hold on. Else if. That's what I meant, guys. Sorry. Else if, not if else. Else if. Okay. Then else if is this is a connection. Like this is all one statement, right? This is like another part of that statement, all right? We can put if it is if age is greater than or equal to, wait, hold on. If age is greater than or equal to 21, we can say please drink responsibly. I don't know how to spell responsibly. Yay, I know how to spell. Woo! Okay. We can say please drink responsibly. Go ahead and put oops. I keep forgetting to put semicolons at the end. Everyone, always remember to put semicolon at put a semicolon at the end of the line. Okay, and then we'll do the console colon read line semicolon. All right. So after that, we can put like, we can just put else, which means if anything else, and then like, whoop. Okay, I don't care about that. Anyways, that's that. Now, if statements are useful and all, they help you do stuff like this. But they're kind of tedious to type. I mean, sometimes you don't want to have to type the else if blah 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 blah. You don't really want to have to do that. Luckily, there's an even easier way you can do it. It's called switch case. Now, I already told you that I'd be explaining this in the beginning of my tutorial, so I'll explain it right now. Also, as you guys can probably see, this tutorial is going to be a lot shorter than all my other tutorials. If you need me to make the next tutorial a bit more extensive and make me go a bit slower, or maybe go a bit more in depth with the topic, that's fine, just tell me to. Now I'm not really going to go that in depth with switch case because it's pretty simple, and there's really this main way that you can use it. But if you guys really want me to go more in depth, just comment in the comments below. Anyways, what you would do is you would type switch. Okay. Yep. Whoa, that is not what I meant. That's not what it's supposed to appear. Switch, and then you're going to type parentheses, and then in the parentheses, you're going to type the variable that you're going to be wanting to that you're going to want to do tests on. Okay. So I'm going to be doing tests on age. I'm going to test this variable. So I'm going to do that. All right. And this is kind of where I type in if. Okay. I don't really type if, but I do this case. Okay. I'm going to type case. All right. And then I'm going to do case age equals or case age greater than or equal to 2. All right. So basically what this does, what? That's weird. That should not happen. I do not know why that's doing that. Oh wait, hold on. Let's try setting it equal to something. Nope, that still doesn't work. Hold on a second. Something's fishy here. Okay, guys, I figured it out. I know what I did wrong. Sorry, that's not what you type. You type switch, alright? You do that. Then you type the variable, alright? Then after that, you make the body using parentheses. Oh, oops. Oh my goodness, I cannot spell at all. There we go. And instead of doing case, blah, 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 age equals blah, 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 you're not going to do that. You're just going to do case, case 21, all right? That's all you do. It's very simple. See how simple that is? You just type, oh, hold on, expected a colon. Oh, yeah, sorry, you put a colon here. It's case, colon, 21. Wait a second, hold on. I am so bad at this. I keep forgetting. Case 21, colon. There, you type that, all right? Then you press enter. So what this basically does is it's testing for the, it looks at all the values of the age, right? Of age, the variable. And then it says, okay, in the case which it is 21, do blah, 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 blah. In the case which is 32 or 42, the answer to life, the universe, and everything, then do something else. So here I just say see out. Please drink responsibly. Alright, and if I spelled that wrong, I know all my friends are going to be commenting on this and they're just going to be screaming at me for the entire day. They probably are already screaming at me because I'm not sure if I spelled it wrong or not. Oh man, I'm worried. Anyways, please drink responsibly, and then console, colon, read line, and that's that. So, let's go ahead and try it, see if it works. Alright, it's running. Alright, so how old are you? I'm 72. Oh, okay. So since we didn't have a case for 72, it didn't do anything, it just exited out. So the only thing we have a case for is 21. So let's try that. Let's try 21. 21. See? And now it says please drink responsibly. That is what we want. Yay. Now you can also, add more, like case, and then I'll say 16 colon, enter, see out, and then I'd say be safe on the road, like that, or congrats on getting a car or something. And again, you don't have to do this with just this age thing. You can do this with any you can do this with any kind of you can do this with any kind of variable ever. Now, while you guys are watching this, I know that you're probably not following along because what you're probably doing is you're just one of my friends who's watching this just because. But if you're actually following along and you actually are learning something from this, try making your own programs that use all of the functions and features that I've been teaching you. Try seeing what you can do with them, and if you need any help, just email me at theprogramminghexagon@gmail.com. Or sorry, no, not that. It's just programminghexagon@gmail.com. All right.